So guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3011 by the name of find if array can be sorted. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and in today's question, there are the three examples are included with an explanation. So we will be see all these three examples with an explanation step by step. And if you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon. And please like this video, share with your friends and neighbors and with your family members also. So let's start, and let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. And by the way, this question is separate on 4 topics: array, bit manipulation, sorting, and B weekly contest 122. So, and in today's question, there are the 2 hints are also be included, but we wouldn't see these 2 hints. Okay, we don't want to see these 2 hints because we will be solving this question by our own brain. Okay, so now anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So let's start our 3011 question. Find if array can be sorted. So let's start to solve today's question. So it is giving me a 0 indexed array of positive integers nums. Okay, it is giving me a 0 indexed array of positive integer nums. In one operation, you can swap any two adjacent elements if they have the same number of set bits. You are allowed to do this operation any number of times including 0. What we want to do now, we want to return if you can't sort the array in ascending order, else we return false. Okay, example 1. Here he created an integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote it out 8, 4, 2, 30, 15, and the output am coming true. Why? Let me tell you. Let's look at the binary representation of every element. The numbers 2, 4, and 8 have one set bit each with binary representation 10, 100, and 1000 respectively. The numbers 15 and 30 have 4 set bits each with binary representation 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We can sort the array using 4 operations. Swap nums 0 with nums 1. This operation is valid because 8 and 4 have one set bit each. The array becomes 4, 8, 2, 30, 15. Swap nums square 1 with nums 2. This operation is valid because 8 and 2 have one set bit each. The array becomes 4, 2, 8, 30, 15. Okay, and the third one, it's swap nums 0 with nums 1. This operation is valid because 4 and 2 have one set bit each, and the array becomes 2, 4, 8, 30, 15. Swap nums 3 with nums 4. This operation is valid because 30 and 50 have 4 set bits each, and the array becomes 2, 4, 8, 15, 30. And the array has become sorted, hence we return true. Note that there may be other sequences of operations which also sort the array. Example number 2. Here he created an integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the output am becoming true. Why? Because the array is already sorted, hence we return true. Okay, that's why. Because the array, if you see the array, it is already sorted, so that's why we have to return the true. Now number 3. Here he created one integer array by the name of nums, in which the output am coming 3, 16, 8, 4, and 2. So there is output am coming false because it can be shown that it is not possible to sort the input array using any number of operations. Okay, and there are the 2 constraints are also being included in this question. If you want to view it, so view it. Okay, but we do not viewing it. Okay, we will leave that. So let's start to solve this question in LeetCode Cam website. So let's start to solve this question in LeetCode Cam website. So let's start. So now this is a medium one question. So in this question there are the four topics are included: array, bit manipulation, sorting, and B weekly contest 122. So let's start. So first of all, we start to writing our code. So first of all, we define a class of oscillation in which we define def can sort array self comma nums. So nums is our integer array. So we define list int. Okay, slash greater than bool p max equals to cmin equals to cmx slash pcnt equals to 0 for v in nums, and then ccnt equals to v dot bit and then count and then rounded brackets here we define if pcnt equal to ccnt cmin here I am defining, in which we define equals to min, and then here we define cmin comma v cmx equals to max cmx and then comma v elif cmin is less than p max, and then we return false. Perfect. Else enter p max equal to c max, cmin equals to c max equals to v, pcnt equals to cnt. Perfect. Now here when we do this thing, so here we define our last thing cmin greater than equals to p max. Okay, so we have written about all the code. So last thing is to run this code. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been accepted. Here you can see it in this. The case when expected output is true and mouse output has been coming true. In the case 2 the expected output is true and mouse output coming true. In the case 3 the expected output is false and my output has been coming false. Okay, so now let's see the submission code, because the running code do not decide your question it is perfect or not. The submission code will be decided. So here I have one sad bit. Okay, sad bit. A sad bit. What is sad bit? Let me tell you. A sad bit refers to a bit in the binary representation of a number that has value of 1. Okay, this is called a sad bit. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is accepted and I beat total 82% people. So let's post the solution. So let's post it. So here I'm posting it. So it has been posted. So here you can see it. So we solved this question in Python 3. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more these type of tutorials. And you can also view my profile of my LeetCode Cam. Here you can see it. Here is a profile of my LeetCode Cam. Okay, you can also view my profile from here. Okay, and there are some solutions I have posted and my views and my all the things and my website, my GitHub and my rank, what is my rank in LeetCode Cam. Okay, and you can also become on my profile by the name of my channel by the name of Rayyan. So you can also see my channel, and please subscribe and then press all icon or bell icon. And if you want any paid promotions and anything, you will be email me at my email rayyanb1253@gmail.com. okay, and this is the playlist of my LeetCode Cam. You can also see this playlist. Okay, here is a playlist. Here is the playlist. So you can see it. You can also view this all the playlist. Okay, here is my LeetCode Cam playlist. So please see this playlist also. Okay, so because there are the many videos about on the LeetCode Cam solve questions. Okay, so now anyways, let's meet you in next video. Amazing video like this. So anyways, so please like, share and subscribe, and tell me how is my performance is going and how is my videos is going overall. Give me the numbers also. Okay, a 10 out of 0 or 5 or 8. Okay, like this. So anyways, let's meet you in next video, and next video amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.